Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a deal in Zoho CRM. Deals help track opportunities in your sales pipeline. So let's dive in and follow these steps together. Now for the first step is to go to the deals model. You have to log into your Zoho CRM, and to do that, just go to your web browser and open a new tab, and in it search for the website is Zoho CRM or crm.zoho. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Once you do that, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, click on the deals model from the left-hand menu right here. Now for the second step is to add a new deal. And to do that, you have to click on the blue button right here. Click on it and enter details like the deal name, account, contact, expected revenue, and closing date. After that, select a stage for the deal such as negotiation or proposal sent. Now after you finish, now the company name and the last name is mandatory, but the other options are optional, but you can fill it according to your needs. Now once you finish modifying and filling all these informations, click on save to add the deal. Use the pipeline view to track its progress. Now I'm gonna save the deal here. And that's it. Now I can use the pipeline to view and track its progress. And that's how you create and manage deals in Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.